Hello guys, so in this video I will tell you that how to add GIF on TikTok. So first of all we will open up our TikTok here, and after opening up the TikTok here we will make a short video here. So I will tap on this plus icon here, and then I will make a short video here. Okay, so after making the video here I will tap on this check here, and now here you will see this sticker option. So just tap on this one, and at the top it says search gifs. So I will search gif here for, like, let's suppose cats, and now it shows me these cats gifs here. So let's suppose I wanted to add this one. Just tap on this one, and you can actually, I think, make its size bigger. Yes, you can. So that's how to add gif on TikTok. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.